Hello everyone, in this video I'll write a query to find the employee details having nth highest salary of each department. So let's start. So this is our records where we have the details from employee table along with the department name from the department table. Now we have total three department: IT, marketing and sales, and for each department we have to find out the nth highest salary. Now the value of n can be anything. It can be 1, 2, 3 or 4. Like if the value of n is 1, then the highest salary for each department will be picked up. And if the value of n is 2, then the second highest salary for each department will be picked up. So now let's assume the value of n is 2. So let's see the expected output for the n equal to 2. So here we can see this is the expected output that we have to find out as a result of our query. Here we can see for each department like IT, marketing and sales, we can see the second highest salary as the rank is 2 for all the rows. Now we'll write the query to fetch the nth highest salary for each department. So I'm using employee and department table, and this is my join condition e dot department id equal to d dot department id to join these two tables. And from the employee table I'm fetching the employee id, salary and employee name, and from the department table I'm fetching the department name. Now let's run this query. So this is our records. Now here we have to add one column that will give us the rank for each records based on the salary. And for this I'll use the rank function. So I'll write rank over, and it will be based on salary. So for that I'll write order by e dot salary, and it will be in descending order. So I'll put a alias name here like rank, and now you can see we are getting the rank for each records based on the salary in descending order, and that means the highest salary is getting the rank 1 and the lowest salaries is getting the lowest rank. Now here we are getting the rank as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 9, but we have to partition this rank based on the department, because we want to find out the nth highest salary based on for each department. So that is, for this I'll use the partition by clause. So partition by e dot department name. Now I'll run this query. Now you can see now we are getting the rank for each department. Like for IT department we are getting the rank as 1, 2, 3. Again for marketing we are getting the rank as 1, 2, 3, like that. And now if we want to find out some nth highest salary for each department, then we have to pass this rank, the value of the rank, to the outer query. So we'll use this query as inner query, and this the value of rank will pass to the outer query. So for this I'll write a outer query as select star from, and in the outer query I'll put the condition as where rank equal to 2. Like if we put the rank equal to 2, then we'll get only the records for each department where rank is 2. Likewise, if I put the rank as 1, that means we'll get the highest salary. If we put the rank as 3, then we'll get the third highest salary, and so on. So here we can put a bind variable like n, and there I'll pass the rank runtime. Like if I pass the value as 2, then we'll get the second highest salary. So you can see we are getting the second highest salary for each department. If I put the rank as 1, then we'll get the first highest salary or highest salary. If I put the rank as 4, then we'll not get any records because there are no such records for any department where the rank is 4.